flat hair problems. I'm just gonna put a beanie on anyway. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I will be only using the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette today. Look how fucking gross this is. Like, there's shit everywhere. All right, anyway, it's one of my favorite looks that I think I've worn this year using this palette. So I just wanted to put it on here. Bae and I are also going out later after we get all our shit done. So I wanted to do something nice for, I guess, our little date night. Anyway, if you're interested in seeing this look, keep on watching. But I'm gonna do what I usually do and go ahead and prime my eyes. If anyone has any tips on how the fuck you get lash glue off of your lash line, please comment down below, because I've used cleansing oil, coconut oil, and this stuff does not go away. So, okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna prime my eyes doing what I usually do. It's so nice to have you back. Shape tape, oh shape tape. And I'm actually going to be going in with the Morphe sponge. I think this is like the highlight and contour one, but I've heard really awesome things about it. I mean, I'm all for trying out inexpensive beauty sponges because as great as a beauty blender is, I just can't keep spending, you know, all that money for one sponge. Like $20 is a lot for a sponge. But yeah, having leftover lash glue is really messing with my eyes. So if anyone knows how you get rid of it, much obliged. I don't know if it means I'm like putting my lash glue on in the wrong place or what, but this stuff just doesn't move. I have the white duo one. I don't know if it just is like I'm using the wrong lash glue. I don't know, but it's really annoying. Okay, so now that that's done, I did set it with my translucent setting powder, and now to go in with this, I'm going to start by using Made for Each Other, this one right here. Take my big fluffy brush. I'm just going to put this in the crease. I don't know why I keep closing this because I need it. All right, next I'm going to go in with Pooter right here. Just layer over top of that. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit actually. Now that those colors are laid down, I need to swatch these actually really quickly to see which ones I for sure want to use. So to deepen things up a little bit, I'm going to take, I believe it's Mocha. Yeah, Mocha right here. This nice brown shade. I'm actually gonna put this on, I think my M441. No. I'm gonna take my R39, tap into that color, put this like kind of here. And then I will blend this out up top with that M441. I'm going to take over that brown, actually, we're gonna go a little bit backwards. I'm going to use, what is this color? Hustler? This one right here. How do I wanna go about doing this? I think I'll take my R41, which is this like nice little pencil brush. I'm going to put this all over the middle part of the lid. You know what? I'm gonna use my finger. There we go. I think this has been my year of like finding out like sometimes shadows are actually applied better with your fingers than with a brush. And that's totally okay. You don't always have to use a tool. All right, and then I'll blend out these edges here. And then I will take that pencil brush and use, going to go in with this color right here. I think this is Meeks. This one is brown. I have them all like swatched on the back of my arm. I'm like, which one did I pick again? I'm going to take my R41 and do the same thing with the other eye. I think I'm going to take, what is this? I can't ever hold this right. What is this color? Central Park. Central Park. This one right here. And I think I'll just deepen up, or maybe I'll go back in with Mocha and then Central Park, and I'll just kind of deepen things up a bit. I'm gonna keep using this R41. And I'm just gonna blend it all out. Take a little bit more of Meeks, pop it on the middle. Because after blending, it does kind of get a little brown rather than this like silvery taupey color. All right, and then to make that center bit pop, I'm going to go in with Obsessed, this really pretty like champagne-y, taupey, silvery color. I don't really know how to describe it, but I am just going to pop that over Meeks. Right in the center. Might actually dampen it. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so next I'm going to move on to my face. Can I help you? Can I help you, Chippy Tapperton? I'm going to prime it with my e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I'm just gonna put this in the areas that I really need it. And then I'm going to take MAC Strobe Cream. I'm going to pop this here, a little bit more. Put this on my forehead and on my chin, on my nose. Now to decide what foundation I want to use. I have the matte, Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation, or I have the Total Control NYX drops, which might actually be I'm pretty pale right now. So I think I'm gonna go in with the NYX Total Control drops, just because I'm on the paler side. Make sure you shake these really well because they won't come out as well if you don't. Try not to get them on your clothes either, especially if you're wearing all black like me. And these are in the shade Natural. And I'm just going to take my Real Technique sponge and bounce this out. Yeah, I'm like really pale with these, so. But they are pretty full coverage. Into the hairline. Thank God for like bronzing and contouring. I don't know what it is about my nose area that is constantly red. Okay, under eyes. For my under eyes, I'm going to go in with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. I'm just gonna pop a little bit right here. I also don't know how to get rid of these like lines here on the sides of my, I guess it's like my eye sockets are really sunken in. How do you fix that? Like, do I have to get fucking filler in there? Because no, thank you. Okay, now I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape. This is also in Light Natural. I'm going to all right, yep, and taking my Morphe sponge again. Highlight the rest of my face. For my forehead, I'm gonna take the bottom part of my Real Technique sponge. Pounce it out. Gonna leave my nose alone for a minute. Underneath. Cover up any redness. Okay. Then I will take my Morphe sponge and I will just get under my eyes here. Take under here. All right, I'm gonna wipe away it now. Finish up my under eye. So I'm going to take Mocha on this e.l.f. flat definer brush. And just pop it under there. And then I will take my R39 and buff it out. Take Meeks back on there. Connect it underneath here. And then we'll take Hustler on this R43. Put it on the middle part, kind of. I might have to wet it because I definitely can't get under there with my finger. And then I'm going to put on my mascara. I have eyeshadow in my eyes. So I'm going to finish off my face. I will be popping on my Ardell 810 lashes. These ones right here. And then I'll be going in with the NYX highlighting and contour palette to finish off the rest of my face. And then I will do my brows, do everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, see, I told you guys I was gonna put a hat on. I have completed this look. I put some highlight on from the NYX contour palette. It's this one right here. I believe it's called Ice Queen. Yep, Ice Cream. Ice Cream. Do you know what I'm thinking about? It is called Ice Queen. It's just exactly what it sounds like, just like a very icy white highlight. And then I did use the Pat McGrath Labs Divine Nude Lipstick. This is an amazing color. I can't get enough of it. So yeah, if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want notifications, hit the little bell icon right over here. Okay, well, yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, bye.